Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss the difference between auto variable and static variable. Already I have discussed about auto variable as well as static variable. Okay, this is auto variable, static variable, auto variable and static variable. Okay, a variable, auto variable means a variable which declared inside a function or a block, with auto storage class specifier or without any storage class specifier. Those variables are called as auto variable. You can start with definitions. Now static variable means a variable which declares with static storage class specifier. Those variables are called as static variable. You can declare inside a function or outside a function. Now first point, by default value. The by default value of the auto variable, definitely garbage. Okay, here the by default value of static variable is 0. Second point, declaration. The declaration of auto variable, it must be local, or you can say inside a block. But in case of static variable, you can declare local as well as global. Okay. Third point, memory allocation. Memory allocations for static variable, it is inside a stack section. But in case of the static variable, memory allocates inside a data section. Okay. Now fourth point, the scope of the variable. The scope of the auto variable is inside a function or a block. Inside a function, or you can say block. But the scope of static variable depends on declaration. If we declare static variable locally, then scope is within a function. If we declare a static variable globally, the scope is inside a whole program. Okay. Fifth point, lifetime. When control entered inside a function, the life of auto variable will start. When control goes outside of the function, the life of auto variable will ends. But in case of the static variable, when control entered inside a function first time, the life of that static variable will start till the execution of the whole program, not only functions. But in case of the auto variable, the life of auto variable will start when the control entered inside a functions, and life will ends when control goes outside the functions. Example, main function. Function ABC, if we will call function ABC, this is a void ABC function is there, integer. Okay, when the main functions will call to the function ABC, the life of this variable will start inside a stack section. When main function will call to the ABC first time, the life of auto variable will start. The memory will allocate for the auto variable. When the control goes outside of the functions, then again it will go here. When control goes outside of the function, the life of that auto variable will ends. Again next time, again the main function calling to the ABC functions, again the life of auto variable will start. Again the I will allocate. Again when control goes outside the functions, the life of auto variable will ends. Again the control goes to the third call. When function main function call to the ABC function, the life of auto variable will start. Again when control goes outside the function, the life of auto variable will end. Like that, whenever we call to the whenever the control entered inside functions, control entered inside a function, the life of auto variable will start. When control goes outside a function, the life of auto variable will ends. But same function, suppose same functions, main function is there, same I will write ABC function, ABC, void ABC. I will write here static int I. Static int I. When the main function will call to the ABC first time, the life of static variable will start. The life of static variable will start. When control goes outside a function, the life of static variable will not ends. It will remains there only. Again, when you call, again the control will goes there. Again, when ABC functions will call, the memory will remains only. It will not vanish. It will not deallocate the memory. Whenever you will call to the function ABC, the memory will be there only. It will not deallocate when control goes outside the functions. But in case of the auto variable, whenever you will call to the function ABC, the life of auto variable started. But in case of the static variable, when the control entered inside a function first time, the life of variable will start till the execution of the whole program. Okay. Next point, reinitialization. Reinitialization in case of the auto variable is possible. In case of the auto variable, the reinitialization is possible, but in case of the static variable, reinitialization is not possible. This is all about auto variable and static variable. We will meet very soon with new concept. Thank you. All the best.